Students, welcome to Accountancy class. I am NARSIMULU, Commerce teacher. In this video, I will explain CEC first year Accountancy, in that journalizing accounting transactions. The process of journalizing accounting transactions in the book of journal. Student, here I am going to use only one account and its principle to write journal entry in the book journal. Here I will explain different steps how to make for the given business transaction and writing the entry in the book of journal. Students, you already know that the dual aspect concept, and also you know the three types of accounts and their principles. Here I am going to use only one account, that is real account, and its principle to analyze the given business transaction. And the procedure you can go to observe how I am going to find debit and credit account in this given business transaction. First, you can go to read the business transaction. What is the business transaction is here? See, on 4th January 2018, sold furniture for cash rupees 20,000. It is the business transaction. Here we need to identify two aspects as for dual aspect concept. Okay, so according to dual aspect concept, we need to identify two aspects in this business transaction. So to identify these two aspects, we need to ask ourselves some questions. So what are they? See, first one, is there any name in the business transaction? If you observe in this transaction, there is no name given in this transaction. So simply omit it. If there is a name, then you think and make it underline and think that that is the name of a person, comes under personal account. Okay, but here name is not given. Simply omit it. And come to second, is there any asset in this given transaction? Yes, there is the asset. If you observe, you will find the asset. On 4th January 2018, sold furniture. So furniture is an asset. Is it right or not? Make it underline and write here as asset. Okay, we find one aspect, that is furniture. And if we observe this transaction, there is one more aspect, that is cash. So cash is also an asset. Okay. Here, after identifying two aspects and make them underline, and you can go to write the nature. So is it a person? Is it a name of a person, or is it a asset, or is it a expenditure, or is it a income? We have to decide it and make them underline. If it is an asset, you can go to write asset. If it is a name of a person, go to write name of a person. And if it is an expenditure, go to write expenditure. If it is income, you can go to write income. But in the given transaction, both are assets. Furniture also asset, cash also asset. So here, asset comes under which account? Yes, real account. Asset comes under real account. That's correct. So, real account to principal. What is the real account principle? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Okay. See here, whenever you sell furniture, is the furniture coming into the business or going out of the business? Ask this question yourself and find the answer. When you sell the furniture, is the furniture coming into the business or going out of the business? Yes, naturally the furniture goes out of the business. So as per real account principle, whatever goes out of the business, that should be credited. So here goes out, that should be credited. Which account? Furniture account should be credited. Okay. Credit. Why we have to credit it? Because real account principle. What is the real account principle? Says here what comes in debit, what goes out credit. So furniture going out of the business when we sell it. So that should be credited. Come to next one. Cash. Cash also asset. Asset comes under a real account. So what the real account principle says? Just before I said, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So whenever you sell the furniture, here is the cash coming into the business or going out of the business. Is when you sell the furniture, generally you will get cash. So cash coming into the business. So as per real account principle, whatever that comes into the business, that should be debited. So comes in. Okay, that should be debited. Cash account. Debit. Here furniture account credit. So after analyzing all these process in your mind, now you can go to write the entry in the journal. So you already prepared the journal, I know, or you can go to prepare the journal pro forma. After preparing the journal pro forma, you can go to write the date here, 2018 January 4. Debit account. What is the debit account here? Cash account debit. Write the cash account debit to furniture account. Credit account here, furniture account. So against the cash account in the debit column, go to write rupees 20,000. Similarly, come to furniture account. Against this account in the credit column, rupees 20,000. Now, for this transaction, we can go to write narration. What is the narration? Sold furniture. Being furniture is sold. Being furniture is sold, or being furniture sold. You wish. Or you can go to write sold the furniture. Being sold the furniture. Narration. It's depend upon your way of thinking. You can go to write it. Okay. In this way, we can go to write the entry for the given transaction. Students, here the procedure is that first we must know about the dual aspect concept, and second we must know the types of accounts and their principles. Their principles are also called as golden principles of accounting. Using these accounting principles, we can go to analyze the business transaction and find the two aspects and apply the principle of a related account. Then we can go to find debit account and credit account. After that, we can go to write the journal entry in the book called journal. So as first we can go to write date, then you can go to write debit account, then credit account. In the debit column, debit amount, the credit column, credit amount. At last, you can go to write narration in brackets. Okay, for the entry. So in this way, we have to write the journal entry. But this process should be taken place in your mind. The entire process should be taken in your mind. Okay, students. Now, what I hope that you understood how to write the journal entry for the given transaction. Okay, students. Thank you for watching this video.